your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
Hi guys, so good morning and a grumpy morning from my side. It was 8:30, so I do an early morning shift, so it was already 2 hours of my shift was over. Yes, I log in that early. Yeah, फिर वही चाय वाय करके let's I put together myself. फिर थोड़ा सा किचन का काम होता है. So this is a Friday evening vlog that I want to share, and these are my plans. Tell me if you have any more ideas. How can I work over here? Let me know. It will be very much helpful to me. फिर थोड़ा सा स्किन केयर और खुद को देखना ये सब. Then after my office hour and generally in the during the day, I like to keep my windows open for my bedroom because I like the fresh air being passing, and this is my daily ritual, and you should also do, because it's not about being traditional, it's about also the order of the room. मैं रोज़ ही अगरबत्ती जलाती हूँ. Staying alone is just not always about having fun and having night outs and no responsibilities. You have to be careful and responsible. I need to make sure कि मैं अपना घर का सब काम करूँ और ऑफिस का भी. I have a extra hassle outside the office, so उसको भी मैनेज करना साथ ही साथ करना पड़ता है. And I won't lie, I like staying alone and doing my stuff. It gives me a mental peace also. फिर घर का किचन का सब साफ भी रखना पड़ता है, because how you keep yourself and your home shows kind of a person you are. फिर ऑफिस मेरा होते होते दोपहर हो जाता है, फिर मैं थोड़ा सा कोशिश करती हूँ कि थोड़ा सो लूँ. फिर थोड़ा इवनिंग में थोड़ा चिप्स कॉफ़ी खाती हूँ, थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, रिफ्रेश, बिकॉज दैट टाइम आई फील रिलैक्स्ड. सो हियर आई वॉज हेडिंग आउट फॉर अ स्मॉल outside party. So this is my basic everyday routine. I will you see it, everyone knows, I don't need to tell it multiple of times. सबको अब सब कुछ पता है, रोज रोज बोलने का नया कुछ है नहीं.
Number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one, one, one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, 'cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one, one, one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, oh, slowly exploring what I need.